Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the blog feature. Log into your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Next, click on Edit under the Edit Test and Go Live section. Now to add the blog feature, click on the Add Feature button in the sidebar, then click View All and search Blog. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you added the feature, you will see the feature listed in My Features section, where you can edit, customize, and organize your added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have the options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what all you can do with the newly added blog feature. Click on the pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from a library or upload your own custom icon. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and website. Let's move to the content section now. Here you have the option of integrating blogs from third-party platforms like WordPress, Blogger, FeedBurner, and Tumblr. You can also add your own blog with the custom blog option. Now let's check them out one by one. First, let's integrate WordPress blogs. This is your menu name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the menu icon. For the icon, you can select it from our library or upload your own custom icon. Now enter your WordPress URL here to integrate the blogs from WordPress. Click the preview icon here to view the functionality on the simulator screen. If you want to add multiple WordPress blogs, then click on the Add More button here. From here, you can delete the blog if you want to add multiple Now let's move on to Blogger. Click the Blogger option here to integrate the blogs. This is your menu name and icon image. If you want, you can change the name and icon as per your needs. Here you need to enter the Blogger URL. Once done, click on Preview to view its functionality on the simulation screen. To add multiple blogs from Blogger, click on the Add More button. To delete the added blogs, click the bin icon here. Similarly, you can integrate blogs from FeedBurner and Tumblr by providing the FeedBurner URL and Tumblr URL, and also update the respective menu names and menu icons if you want. Next, click the Medium option here to add blogs from Medium. From here, you can change the menu name, menu icon. Here you need to provide the Medium URL. Once done, you can preview the functionality on the simulation screen. Similarly to the other third-party platforms, you can add multiple blogs from Medium by clicking on the Add More button. To delete a blog, click the bin icon here. Now coming to the custom blog option that allows you to add your own blogs. Enter your custom blog name here. If you want to change the custom blog menu icon, then click the icon here and select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. You can also delete the custom blog by clicking this bin icon here. Next, click on the Add Blog button to start adding your blogs. Now under the Manage Custom Blog section, click on the Add Blog Post button. Provide the heading for your blog post and then specify the location here. From here, you can select blog publish date and time. Next, enter the full story or description of your blog. From here, you can set the status of your blog post, that is active or inactive. If you want to make the blog post private, then you can enable the lock here. From here, you can add images and YouTube URLs to your blog and also add image and video descriptions. Once you're done adding the blog post, click on Save. Once your blog has been saved, you will see your blogs listed here by clicking the 3-dot icon here. You can perform actions and manage your blogs easily. Similarly, you can add multiple blogs from here and change the status of multiple blogs using the drop down here. Also, you can delete multiple blogs by selecting the respective checkboxes and then clicking on the bin icon here. Now let's check out the settings for the custom blog. Click General Settings in the side menu and this will open the configuration settings. Here you will see the options to sort custom blog listings by alphabetical order or date edition. Enable this toggle to let users comment on the blog post. You can even auto-approve the comments posted by your users by enabling this toggle here. Now let's move to the language settings section. Please note this language settings specifically for the custom blog option. Here you will see all the default text currently being displayed on your app. If you want, you can change the language settings from here. Next is the import-export listing option. With the import-export listing option, you can add multiple blogs in a single go by uploading a CSV file. Also, you can export the blog listings in CSV or Excel format. Now let's go back and change the layout and color scheme of the blog feature. Click on this color palette icon here to change the page style and color scheme. Click on the background icon and select an image for the page background. If you want, you can select an image from a library, solid color, or upload your own custom background image. Next, select your desired layout from the given options. From here, you can set the page elements, color, fonts, size, and indent. You can even hide the date and image by enabling this toggle here. Now let's move on to the in-app purchase section and enable in-app for this feature. Click the in-app settings icon in the side menu. Then under in-app settings, enable the in-app toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable in-app for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, you can click on the question mark icon and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Now coming to the advanced settings section, in this section you have the option to allow your users to share the blog post and blog post content. Next we have is the language settings. Click the language settings icon in the side menu and you'll be redirected to the language settings section. Here you will see all the default text currently being displayed on your app. If you want, you can change the language settings from here. Once done, click on save the changes manually, or directly click the publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.